I used to be a drag queen for about 5 years. I always loved being a part of nightlife and performance. But I eventually realized that being on stage wasn't actually what I wanted to do. It was more the backstage stuff. So when I decided that I was going to study costume, Melbourne Polytechnic seemed like the best fit for me.
Like drag your feet into a bit of a crawl, yeah.
Can I show and tell a little bit? I made this for school this year, which is an entirely hand-beaded corset, and I would literally just go out into the street and walk around a park like that. I think that there is something so powerful about taking my queerness into the street. My little catchphrase, I think that I am like the poster child for a personality hire. Like, my job in this world as a queer person is to sort of uplift those around me and make everyone sort of achieve the best that they can in the same way that I want to from the people around me as well. I think that's always been my role, is like an entertainer, you know? Learning under Amanda Silk, my gorgeous teacher who means so much to me. She is the most endlessly supportive person that I've ever met. She was a shoulder to cry on, and she was a person to talk to, which I think is such an important part of my education that I haven't found elsewhere. I think it's really important to show trans folk at this level to show that they're this capable of greatness. So important that it's shown and that it's heralded and that it's paraded through the streets, because people like me exist and we can thrive in these environments.